Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Joey. What a beautiful trip you had to Europe. Loved your photos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, John. Good morning, Cherry. I hope you're feeling better. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. Today we continue with our The rain practice comes from Tara Brach. It's her signature practice that stands for recognize what's happening, allow life to be just as it is, investigate with open and kind attention, and nurture with loving presence. Today's meditation is called the Rain of Compassion. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Scanning your body, notice how you're feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. Ask yourself, how am I right now, really? Your breath easy, natural. Let go of your need to control it. Simply observe how your breath flows in and out of your body. And now take a few moments to scan through your family members or friends who are close to you and choose someone who you know is having a difficult time right now. Connect with your intention to awaken compassion toward that person in your heart. The first step in rain is recognize what's happening. So become aware of whatever is most prominent about this person as you reflect on their current challenges. You might recall the mood they are often in lately, something about their appearance, a regular activity of theirs, the tone of their recent communications. And now see if you can allow your sense of this person, of how they are living, feeling, or expressing themselves, to be just as it is, without adding any judgment. And now, with gentleness, curiosity, and interest, without judgment, start investigating what's going on. Ask yourself more deeply about their experience. Imagine feeling with their heart, viewing the world from their perspective. You may want to use some of the following questions to explore. What is it like being you right now? What life circumstances are most distressing to you? What fears, disappointments, hurts are you carrying? What are you believing about yourself? Remember, as you ask those questions, direct them to the person you chose and try to feel and answer with their heart. And now see if you can connect to the most vulnerable place in this person. You may ask, how does this life situation and all the emotions that come with it, fear, hurt, anger, shame, feel in your heart and body? Where inside do you feel most vulnerable? What do you want right now from others and from yourself? Let the answers surface naturally as images, words, or physical sensations. And once you realize what this most vulnerable place in your person needs attention, nurture it with loving presence. So keeping this person and their vulnerability in your heart, expand your awareness to your whole body, to the sounds and space around you. From that inclusive heart space, feel this being, the person who you chose for this practice, as part of you, and offer them what is needed. Is it acceptance? Being held? Forgiveness, company, understanding, you might also offer them care energetically as a flow of warmth, as an image, or through words. Imagine this person receiving and letting in all your care. And envision them healed, happy, and well. Now see if you can enlarge the field of compassion to include all those who experience the same suffering now. If the person you are reflecting on is grieving a loss, connect with all those grieving loss right now and offer your care to all of them, whether you know them or not. If this person feels like a failure, connect with and offer care to all those who suffer in this way. Breathing in, sense the willingness of your heart to be touched by this pain without fear. And the vastness of loving awareness that's in your heart. And as you breathe out, offer your care to all those beings who are suffering in the same way. Breathing in their pain, breathing out the energy of healing. And now let go of all ideas of others. Look within and notice the qualities of heart and presence within you. Is there a sense of openness, tenderness, love right now? Whatever you find, allow yourself to rest there for a few moments. As you go through your day today, I invite you to practice this rain of compassion. Whenever you become aware of somebody's suffering, pause and connect with your intention toward compassion. And for several slow breaths, silently breathe in their pain, allowing yourself to imagine and feel what they're experiencing. And with the out breath, breathe out your care, wishing for their relief and that they can be held in the openness of loving awareness. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.